Have you ever tried a breakfast that feels a little wrong at first, but turns out completely right? What if I told you that one of the healthiest, most comforting bowls starts with an ingredient pairing most people would never trust? Hi, I'm Lucy. Welcome to Lucy's Healthy Kitchen, where simple, nourishing food becomes something special. Today, I'm making an apple and tahini breakfast bowl. Sweet, savory, warming, and quietly addictive. If you enjoy calm, real, healthy cooking, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you don't miss what we make next. Trust me on this one. Simple, earthy, unexpected. It's the kind of breakfast you make when you want to feel grounded, full but light, nourished, not heavy. Here's everything you'll need. 1 medium apple, about 180 grams or 6.3 ounces. Sweet varieties like Fuji, Honeycrisp, or Gala work beautifully. 2 tablespoons of tahini, that's 30 grams or 1 ounce. 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. 1 tablespoon of mixed seeds. I'm using pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, and sesame seeds, about 10 grams or 0.35 ounces. For balance, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, 5 milliliters, a tiny pinch of salt, and optionally, 1 teaspoon of honey or maple syrup if you prefer it a little sweeter. That's it. No cooking, no equipment, just intention. Start with the apple. Wash it well. You can slice it thin or grate it. Grating gives a softer, almost creamy texture. If you slice it, keep the pieces thin so every bite stays gentle and fresh. Drizzle the apple with lemon juice. This keeps it bright and adds just a hint of acidity that wakes everything up. Now the tahini. Add the tahini to a small bowl. Stir in 1 to 2 teaspoons of warm water slowly until it turns smooth and pourable. Add a pinch of salt. This is important. It deepens the flavor and balances the sweetness of the apple. If you like, add the honey or maple syrup here. Just enough to round the edges, not to overpower. Stir gently. The texture should be silky, not thick. Arrange the apple in your bowl. Drizzle the tahini over the top, slowly. Let it fall naturally. Sprinkle the cinnamon, then finish with the seeds, scattered lightly for crunch. No rushing. This is part of the experience. One bowl contains approximately 280 calories, 14 grams fat, 8 grams protein, 30 grams carbohydrates. It's rich in fiber, healthy fats, and plant-based protein. Tahini provides calcium, magnesium, and iron. Apples bring vitamin C and antioxidants. Seeds support digestion and hormone balance. This bowl keeps you full and steady for hours. The flavor is comforting, nutty, gently sweet, warm from the cinnamon, with just enough savory depth to surprise you. It's the kind of breakfast that supports your body without asking for attention. Sometimes, the healthiest meals are the ones that teach us to trust new combinations. If you enjoyed this moment, subscribe to Lucy's Healthy Kitchen, and don't forget to hit the bell. I'll see you in the next recipe.